Go out. Go out means to leave home to socialize or do an activity. Go out is used when you leave your home to do something fun, social, or relaxing. It's one of the most common phrases Americans use when making plans with friends or family. Some typical situations are going out to dinner or going out to watch a movie. You could be going out shopping or going out for coffee. You could also go out dancing or go out with friends. And it doesn't mean going out of the house for something quick like grabbing the mail. It's specifically for plans, activities, or social time. You'll hear it all the time. Do you want to go out tonight? We haven't gone out in a while. Let's go out this weekend. Some examples are, we're going out tonight to celebrate. She doesn't like to go out very often. They went out for dinner yesterday in the past. Do you want to go out this Friday? He went out with friends after work. Now repeat after me. Go out. Go out. Go out. Or in the past, went out. Went out. Went out. We're going out tonight. He went out yesterday. Do you want to go out?